here we are for a special nighttime edition. Yeah, we printed another box. So you get to see me break all the supports off of this box. And hopefully it's better. We adjusted some things. The gap here should hopefully be a little bit better. And I should hope we got more adjustment in all the bolt holes. So hopefully that'll sit a little more square in everything. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so we used the square box supports this time instead of the organic supports. And it seems like it did a little better. There's still some spots here in the middle that didn't get supported properly. We're printing this with the fans all the way off intentionally because that helps keep it from warping. The first one we printed actually warped pretty badly.
I brought a fat man.
Aw, Fat Man wants to be in a video.
I don't have to run over him.
You don't have to run over him?
Or so I don't run over him. Look, Cletus, say hi.
Oh, the camera.
Cletus.
He's a fan favorite. Hey, Fat Man. Doing okay? Okay, hold one out. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna cry, mostly, because I've printed so many of these and they just don't fit right. So now I just have like 300 extra just boxes sitting around, but I mean they're useful as storage, I guess. This one here, the biggest fitment issue, this bottom tab here, you can see that's the hole that's drilled or that's formed into it, and the actual bolt hole is like way higher. That's the issue with it not sitting square. The other bolt holes line up great. It could be widened a little bit. I could make like this edge here go out a little bit more, but for now we're gonna bolt this in just using these three. This top one here and then these two on the side, and then we're just gonna leave that for now, and I guess I'll print another one. My buddy Drew said he wanted one, so I kind of feel like I have to get it perfect so I can print him one that's perfect. And I mean, that's kind of the whole point of the printer, is to be able to quickly reproduce these. So it only takes a day to make another one. It's not the end of the world. So I'll make some adjustments again, and we'll print another one and swap it again. But for now, we're just gonna bolt that one back in and see if we can get it to square up a little bit better. Lined up the other one here. Throw it back up there again just to see if the sizing was about right. Lined up this edge here, and a 1/4 inch more is going to pretty much perfectly fill that gap. We just need to widen it from a smaller point. It doesn't need to go all the way back. We can widen it from, I'd say, right about where those tabs start. We can start widening it. It is so nice to have this in here though. This is not quite big enough for a ratchet, but just having a spot you can put like loose change and like little sockets and stuff makes all the difference in the world, for especially working on anything inside the truck. But just having a nice spot to hold stuff is really cool. All right, there's our changes. There's our adjustments we're gonna make. We're gonna adjust this just from the start of the tabs outwards. That's gonna come out a 1/4 inch. We're gonna we'll move the bottom one down a 1/4, the top one up a 1/2, and then the back, we'll move it back another 1/4. And then we'll reprint and we'll see how it comes out. I'll do some Blender again, some editing, and then we'll start printing it. there's your update for the day. I know it's basically the same as last update, but that's just the way this thing is. It's an incremental improvement, and we're prototyping parts. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.